Warning. Side effects of watching this video may include achieving your goals, becoming financially free, and living your dream lifestyle. Proceed with caution.
Elon Musk is the world's 7th richest person and the billionaire founder and CEO of SpaceX, The Boring Company, Neuralink, and Tesla, the world's most valuable car manufacturer. When he was asked how it's possible for a human with the same 24 hours in a day as everyone else was able to achieve all of this greatness, he gave a one-word answer: discipline. Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 habits that you can develop that can help you be as disciplined as Elon Musk. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Total belief in your passion. At the core of Elon's seemingly limitless energy is a passionate enthusiasm in the face of new challenges. Elon Musk has a fiercely enthusiastic personality, and when he gets passionate about something, he puts all of his efforts and resources into it, including learning new skills, giving him the self-confidence to turn that passion into something extraordinary. SpaceX is a good example. When Elon Musk decided that he was going to make affordable space travel a reality with reusable rockets, he poured all he had into his passion. Elon Musk was ridiculed by aeronautics experts who joked that Elon Musk was building rockets out of wax and rubber bands. But guess what? Musk never gave up on his passion. In the end, SpaceX didn't only succeed, it became the first private aerospace company to fly humans into space. SpaceX revolutionized the space industry through its reusable rocket boosters. Amazing videos are all over the internet showing SpaceX's initial rocket boosters returning back to Earth on their own and landing perfectly after deploying its payload into orbit. Number 2. Practice self-discovery and educate yourself about your passion. Have you ever felt the rush and excitement of discovering a new passion? Imagine the initial enthusiasm you felt about learning more information about your passion, your desire to dig deeper, learn more, and perhaps give the world a new breakthrough discovery. But unfortunately, this excitement fades because as you delve deeper, your adventure becomes more complex. You realize how many problems you need to solve or how much it's going to cost for you to achieve your dreams. Inertia kicks in, and eventually, you give up. Elon Musk wanted to build rockets that would take men to Mars, but he was told that his budget for the entire SpaceX company wouldn't even cover the cost of buying a single rocket. What do you think Musk did? He decided to build and launch his own rockets. To achieve this feat, Elon Musk began to read several books on rocket science. Why did he read these books? Elon Musk knew that he was going to face huge technical challenges while building his own rockets. He disciplined himself to study his passion so that he would be able to have solutions whenever problems occur. Imagine if Elon Musk had gotten excited about SpaceX but decided to pack it up and go home when things got complicated. What if Elon lacked the discipline to teach himself about his passion? A lot of us are guilty of this. We easily give up when complex issues arise. That is the wrong mindset because the more complicated things get, the more you should dive in. Self-discovery is the key to finding answers to the most difficult problems. Most times, complex problems do not require complicated solutions, and if we acquire deeper knowledge about the subject, we most often discover the solutions are pretty much straightforward. Number 3. Go beyond your comfort zone. When you decide to step beyond your comfort zone, you are testing the limits of your self-control, which is an essential part of developing self-discipline. This is necessary if you have big ambitions and you don't want anything to stand in your way. Elon Musk knew this when he decided to sleep for no more than 6 hours every day. Running SpaceX, Tesla, and his numerous other companies effectively required that Elon Musk needed to put in 80 to 100-hour work weeks. An 8-hour daily sleep can easily cost him 10 hours of work each week. And after years of experimenting, he found out that just 6 hours of sleep each day is his sweet spot, which meant that he has 2 hours each day to be productive. Elon Musk could have just stuck with the 8 hours of sleep the doctor ordered, but he had no interest in doing what was comfortable. You could also look for areas in your life to make sacrifices if it could help achieve your dreams. If you are an athlete, it means you might have to make sacrifices in your diet or the way you train. When you test your limits, you discover the things you can live with and the stuff you can live without. Number 4. Focus on signal over noise. When you fiddle with radio knobs, you isolate a strong radio signal from the background noise and adjust the knob even further to improve the sound quality. According to Elon Musk, your priority should be about making things better. He recommends that people should focus on signal over noise, and they shouldn't waste time on stuff that doesn't actually make things better. A great example is an Elon Musk sent out to his staff at Tesla. He had noticed that workers at Tesla were spending most of their times at work at endless meetings without really resolving issues. He recommended that they get rid of all large meetings at Tesla unless the issue is an urgent one, and even then, meetings should be kept very short. Elon Musk actually encouraged staff at Tesla to walk out of meetings if they felt it was becoming unproductive. How do you concentrate on important issues when you are as busy as Elon Musk? Doubtless, people will be coming to you with an endless torrent of problems and questions. To stay focused and disciplined on the task ahead, you only need to ask this question: how does this issue help me to create something better? If it does not, then it's not worth giving it your attention at that moment. But how do you now handle time-consuming tasks critical to keep production flow going without sacrificing your own valuable time? Take email, for example. Tasks like answering emails are a critical part of a CEO's job, and answering your emails can be a lengthy and time-consuming process. In the end, it seems like you've wasted your time doing something unimportant. Elon Musk has a well-developed routine that takes care of this problem. When he wakes up in the morning, the first thing he does is to answer his emails, and he does nothing else for 30 minutes. That way, he takes care of a major distraction and gets it out of his way for the rest of the day. Then, he can focus on doing tasks that serve more purpose. When you discipline yourself on focusing on the important tasks, you get distractions out of the way, and your productivity is optimized. According to Elon Musk, this should be your daily prerogative, even if it means changing your daily schedule entirely. Prioritizing important tasks with the aim of making improvements allows you to be more productive. It makes you feel more fulfilled because you are in charge of your activities and can decide the things that you should spend your time on and the things that you shouldn't. Number 5. Develop a morning routine. You probably get out of bed each morning and do whatever comes to your mind. You might go to the bathroom or make yourself a cup of coffee, catch up on the morning news, or scroll through your phone. Chances are, your morning activities are random with no particular purpose. You see, morning for Elon Musk is a lot different. Musk understands that the way he starts each morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. Therefore, he has a core morning routine that he follows right from the moment he opens his eyes. These core routines are specific tasks that he does each morning to boost his productivity and self-confidence. Elon Musk is so disciplined that he allots a task to every minute of his life. Here's what a normal morning looks like in the world of Elon Musk. When Musk opens his eyes after a 6-hour sleep, he opens his email and he begins to reply or send crucial emails for a half hour. He takes a shower but skips breakfast, although he might grab a cup of coffee instead. Musk sees his children off to school and heads to work. While at work, Elon Musk spends 80% of his time on complex design and engineering problems and spends 20% in meeting. A morning routine will help you build your self-discipline to ignore the periods when you'll be hit with the temptation to abandon your routine. There will be times when you'll feel kind of stressed out or just plain tired to ahead, but your morning habits will take over because they have been built over time through discipline. The familiar warmth and motivation you receive as you advance with your routine take over, thereby getting you out of your funk and propelling you into another productive day. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing content.